Hi mga kasoldering, so for today's video, ang ipapakita po namin is push-pull gauge meter force gauge Imada FB-10K. So ito siya guys. Unbox po natin siya.
So guys, may kasama siyang manual. Ayan ang kanyang manual. And then ito ang kanyang box. Yung nakalagay na Imada.
Ayan.
Ayan ang kanyang secure na secure yung
Item.
item.
Ayan siya guys, kita nyo. Type FB-10K.
Buksan naman natin siya.
Wow.
Ito ang ating mismong unit.
Napakaganda at napakakinis guys. Smooth. Yan ang kanyang back.
Guys, may mga kasama dyan siya.
Yan yung mga inclusion niya guys. Kita niyo naman ang keenness. And super high quality. Ayan guys.
So what is the use of push-pull gauge meter force gauge Imada FB-10K?
Push-pull gauge is to measure the magnitude of force in both compression, push, and tension, pull. They are critical for quality control, research and development, and testing in various industries like manufacturing, automotive, and electronics. They ensure products and components meet safety and performance standards by verifying specifications such as the force required to open a door or the strength of a material. Here are some key uses and applications. First is quality control. Used in manufacturing to verify that products meet specific requirements. For example, testing if a door latch requires between 6 and 8 pounds of force to open. Next is research and development, employed to evaluate and mechanical properties of materials, prototypes, ensuring they are suitable for their intended use. Next is product testing, used for various tests including tension, compression, bending, and adhesion, to check the performance of products before they are released to the market. Next is compliance, helps ensure products comply with industry standards and safety regulations. Diverse industries. Force gauge are used across many sectors including automotive, electronics, medical equipment, construction, and packaging. Here are the types and features. Number 1, mechanical gauge. Analog devices that are simple to use, require no power, and are ideal for low-cost basic appliances. Next one is digital gauge. Provide more advanced features like data logging, automatic peak detection, and high-resolution display, which are useful for more complex testing. Next is real-time versus peak mode. Many gauge can be set to display the force in real time or to hold the highest force peak reached during tests. Lastly, mounting can be used handled or mounted on a test stand for more stable and accurate measurements. So, ayan po ang aming push and pull gauge meter force gauge Imada FB-10A. Napakaganda niya talaga, guys. And the color, the quality. Ang siya, guys. Makikita mo na secure din yung item sa loob. Yun lang, guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel and TikTok accounts. Thank you!